Hello everyone, myself Vidhya Jadhav, student of Shivajirao as Jondhle College of Pharmacy. I am going to explain the tablet quality control test along with my group members Pallavi Jhumbad, Ritik Jaiswal and Aniket Jagdale, guided by Dr. Nitin Mohire sir. Introduction. Tablets are a solid dosage form of medicaments with or without excipients which are prepared by compression or molding method and intended for oral administration for local and systemic effect. They may vary in its size, shape and weight depending on the medicament and its mode of administration. Why there is a need to perform quality control test for tablets to ensure safety, potency, efficacy, stability, patient acceptability and patient compliance of tablet to check whether a pharmaceutical tablet satisfies certain standards to claim it to be a quality drug or not, to check that the quality parameters are within the acceptance limits or not. What is quality control? Quality control is a small part of quality assurance and it is concerned with sampling, testing, and documentation during manufacturing and also after completion of manufacturing. It is the monitoring process through which manufacturer measures actual quality performance, compares it with standards, and find out the causes of deviation from standard to ensure quality product not once but every time. In general terms, quality control refers to a procedure or a set of steps taken during the manufacturing of a product to ensure that it meets requirements and that the product is reproducible. Types of quality control test. Official test, which includes weight variation test, drug content, disintegration time test, dissolution test. And second is unofficial test, thickness, hardness, friability, organoleptic characters. Organoleptic characters, color. Many pharmaceutical tablets use color as a vital means of rapid identification and consumer acceptance. The color of a product must be uniform within a single tablet. Non uniformity is referred to as mottling, and hence it leads to poor tablet odor. However, the presence of an odor could be characteristic for the drug, vitamins, added ingredients, flavoring agents, or the dosage form, film coated tablets, quality of the product, the presence of odor in a batch of tablet could indicate stability problems such as the odor of acetic acid in degrading aspirin taste. Taste is important in consumer acceptance of especially chewable tablets. Weight variation test. According to the USP, weight variation test is run by weighing 20 tablets individually, calculating the average weight and comparing the individual tablet weight to the average. The value of the weight variation test is expressed in percentage. The following formula is used. Weight variation is equal to IW minus AW upon AW into 100%, where IW is equal to individual weight, AW is equal to average weight. Factors responsible for weight variation: flow properties, degree of segregation. As per USP, the average weight of the tablet and the percentage weight variation acceptable is given, and as per IP the average weight of tablet and percent weight variation acceptable is given in this table. Note: if we are using 20 tablets, then according to USP, not more than 2 tablets shown percent variation. If we are taking 10 tablets, then according to USP, not more than 1 tablet show percent weight variation. Thickness test. Tablet thickness is determined by the diameter of the tablet. Micrometer and vernier caliper are used for checking tablet thickness. Thickness should be controlled within 5% variation of standard value. Thickness must be controlled for consumer acceptance of the product and to facilitate packaging. Factors affecting thickness: size and size distribution, compression force. Equipments used in this test. First, micrometer. Here put the tablet between two anvils and read its thickness by scale. It is measured in micrometer. Second, vernier caliper. Here tablet is put between two jaws of vernier caliper and measure thickness of tablet by reading scale. It is measured in 2 centimeter. Note: as per official standard, tablet thickness variation allotted up to 5% of standard value. Fourth, hardness test. This test is also known as crushing strength test. Tablet require a certain amount of strength or hardness to withstand mechanical shocks of handling in manufacture, packaging and shipping. Tablet hardness has been defined as the force required to break a tablet in a diametric compression test. Factors affecting hardness: concentration of binder, moisture content and compression force. Equipment used in this test: Monsanto hardness tester, Pfizer hardness tester, Strong Cobb hardness tester, Ervica hardness tester. Out of the above equipment, Monsanto hardness tester and Pfizer are commonly used to determine hardness of tablet. Monsanto hardness tester. Here, tablet it is put between moving jaw and fixed jaw. Moving jaw is moved and pressure is applied on tablet by means of screw knob. The point where tablet get breakdown, it is recorded by means of scale. The hardness is measured in kg per centimeter square. Pfizer hardness tester. The Pfizer tester compresses tablet between a holding anvil and a piston connected to a force reading gauge. When its plier like handles are gripped, the point where tablets get breakdown, it is noted by reading gauge, piston tablet, bolt press, FG. Official standards for hardness: 5 to 8 kg per centimeter square for standard compressed tablet, except effervescent tablet, dispersible tablet, oro-dispersible tablet, chewable tablet, etc. More than 8 to 12 kg per centimeter square for sustained release tablet and controlled release tablet. Friability test. Friability is the phenomena where the surface of the tablet is damaged or shown a site of damage due to mechanical shock. Purpose: to evaluate the ability of the tablet to withstand the breakage during the transportation and handling. Friability testing is a method which is employed to determine physical strength of uncoated tablet upon exposure to mechanical shock and attrition. In simple words, friability test tells how much mechanical stress tablets are able to withstand during the manufacturing, distribution and handling by the customer. It means surface erosion by certain mechanical shock and loss of material from intact tablet. Equipment used in this test: Roche fibrillator tester is commonly used for determining friability of tablet. Percent procedure: weight of weigh of it and put it into fibrillator. Take 20 tablets and take initial. Now rotate the drum at 25 rpm per plastic from 6 inches. It will pass 100 rpm for 4 minutes. During this, tablets get dropped on through mechanical shocks. After 4 minutes, calculate the final weight of tablet and that of friability percent. Percent friability can be calculated by following formula: Percent friability is equal to weight of tablet before testing and weight of tablet after testing upon weight of tablet before testing into 100. Standards for friability. Friability should be up to 0.5 to 1% for all standard compressed tablet. For effervescent, chewable, whiskering, orodispersible tablets, percent friability should be greater than 1. Disintegration test. Disintegration is a process in which tablets are break up into 18 granules or smaller particles. The time it takes a tablet to disintegrate is measured in a device described in the USP and so disintegration test is a measure of the time required for a group of tablets to break up into particles under a given set of conditions. This test is essential for tablets intended for administration by mouth, except those intended to be chewed before being swallowed or those that should dissolve slowly in the mouth. Example lozenges, glyceryl trinitrate, or effervescent tablets. Also, disintegration does not apply to some types of sustained release tablets. Disintegration time. Time required for breaking of tablet into small particles under influence of disintegrating fluid. Disintegrating fluid may be either simulated gastric fluid or simulated intestinal fluid. Equipment used in this test. Disintegration test apparatus is commonly used. Apparatus construction. Two branches of six tablets can be simultaneously tested with this instrument. The USP device to test disintegration uses six glass tubes that are 3 inches long, open at the top and held against a 10 mesh screen at the bottom end of the basket rack assembly. Each glass tube has a percolated sieve number 10 at the bottom. Procedure. To test for disintegration time, one tablet is placed in each tube and the basket rack is positioned in a 1 liter beaker of water, simulated gastric fluid or simulated intestinal fluid at 37 C plus 2C such that tablets remain 2.5 cm below the surface of liquid on their upward movement and descend not closer than 2.5 cm from the bottom of beaker. A standard motor driven is used to move the basket assembly containing the tablets up and down through a distance of 5 to 6 cm at frequency of 28 to 32 cycles per minute. Thus, in this way, note the time required to complete disappearance of the tablet from glass tube. Note: the disintegration time is not for buccal, sublingual, and chewable tablets because they are directly absorbed. No disintegration time for sustained release and controlled release tablets. Dissolution test. Administration of drug via oral dosage form is of the most common and effective means of delivering treatment to patients. When a dosage form is swallowed, the rate at which it releases the active ingredient is critical to ensure that the drug is delivered properly. The rate at which the drug is released is called a dissolution time. Several dissolution apparatus exist. In USP, there are 4 dissolution apparatus standardized and specified. They are the USP dissolution apparatus 1 basket 37 degrees Celsius, USP dissolution apparatus 2 paddle, USP dissolution apparatus 3 reciprocating cylinder, USP dissolution apparatus 4 flow through cell. According to IP, type 1 paddle type apparatus, type 2 basket type apparatus. Equipment used in this test: rotating basket apparatus. Assembly consists of a covered vessel, metallic drive shaft, cylindrical basket shaft, motor sample pot, port sampling point, water bath holding temperature 37 degrees Celsius plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius vessel, a basket, acidic media or alkaline media. Rotating paddle apparatus assembly consists of a covered vessel, metallic drive shaft, stainless steel paddle, motor, sinker to prevent floating of tablet, water bath holding temperature at 37 degrees Celsius plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius, acidic media or alkaline media. This table shows the stages, number of units, and acceptance criteria. S1 is equal to 6 tablets, all units 6, not less than Q 5%. Q is the percent drug dissolved. S2 6 tablets, average of 12 tablets equal to or not greater than Q, and Q is 15%. S3 12 tablets, average of 24 tablet is equal to or not greater than Q, and Q 25%. Note: 75% of drug should be dissolved within 45 minutes as per USP. Content uniformity test. Content uniformity test was developed to ensure content consistency of active drug substances. Factors affecting drug content: tablet weight variation, uneven distribution of the drug in the powder or granules, segregation of powder mixture or granulation during formulation process. By the USP method, 30 tablets are randomly selected. 10 of these tablets are assayed individually according to the method described in the individual monograph. Unless otherwise stated in the monograph, the requirement for the content uniformity are met if the amount of active ingredient in 9 of the 10 tablets lies within range of 85% to 115% of the label claim. The 10 tablet may not contain less than 75% or more than 125% of the labeled drug content. If one or more dosage units do not meet this criteria, the remaining 20 tablets are assayed individually and none may fall outside of the 85% to 115% range for the batch to be accepted. Conclusion: quality control of tablets involve various tests which require keen attention to ensure that established product quality standards are met. This test must be performed during production, in process control, and verified after the production of each batch. Thank you.